you left Turkey?
I didn't think it would be that lifelike. It really modeled the car and the environments around, and I felt like I was in a real vehicle.
We help people with autism, ADHD, or severe driving anxiety learn how to drive by using virtual reality. We use two different programs, software programs. We have a steering wheel with a motor attached to it that has a brake and accelerator attached to it. And so all of the same controls that you would have with a car, but they go through a software program that provides feedback.
It actually is pretty realistic. I practiced looking into the blind spot head over shoulder and turning lanes safely.
So they master the skills the same way that we would teach a neurotypical teen how to drive. Our goal is to start them in very basic situations, move them through to more complicated situations. When you put the headset on, every place you look, you're in that car. You feel like you're in the car. When you're doing training in virtual reality, it writes to the memory banks the same way that actual reality does. Students actually get to practice even emergency situations when they're driving in virtual reality, and if they crash, we have a conversation and we reset and we have a do-over.
Favorite thing about driving in the simulator is that you actually control the options, like it's nighttime, heavy weather, what vehicle you want to be in. It could be like a big semi-truck, a little car, whatever you want to learn.
The goal for most of our clients is to achieve that driver license, which is such a barrier to independence for so many families. The vast majority of our students proceed to the point where they do start in-car driving. Most of them are successful in getting a driver license. But even if that doesn't end up being the end result, we do see improvement in their motor skills.
I feel like it's a really good way to safely practice driving.